What is SEO? The word SEO simply means search engine optimization. And so most times as a new YouTuber, or probably you have been on YouTube for a while, you must have heard the word SEO. But the thing is that a whole lot of people do not understand what SEO means. Some people just see it as, okay, it's one of those words we come across on this YouTube app. In today's video, I'll be explaining to you the meaning of SEO. I will also be explaining to you the importance of SEO in your videos. In other words, it is very important that you put SEO in strategic places of your videos. It will also help the algorithm to try to understand what you are saying in that particular video and help you to rank that video. Okay, so if this is the kind of video you want to watch, why don't you stick around, because by the end of this video you'll be getting value for your time. And do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video drops. So quickly, let us dive in. A whole lot of creators will tell you, okay, you need to optimize your thumbnails, you need to add your keywords and all manner of things. But a whole lot of people might not be able to explain to you the right things and the right places where you need to put in your SEO. So I am going to be showing you 8 places where you can put in your SEO. I have said it earlier that SEO simply means search engine optimization. Now, you must have heard in other videos that YouTube is a second large search engine optimization. Okay, so people tend to go to YouTube to find solution to any particular kind of problem. Now, quickly, let us dive in. The first place where you have to add your SEO, I am going to be sharing my screen with you so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, so we are going to take a look at some videos and see how far that SEO has helped those videos to grow. Now, this is the first video we are going to be looking at. Take a look at my screen here. The first place where you need to add your SEO is your titles. Okay, now anytime you want to upload your videos and the space for title is there, please make sure that you add those keywords about the video. Otherwise, trying to explain that this is what this video is all about. For instance, if I talk about how you can get your 4,000 watch hours on this video, okay, now the first thing that you should put there in your title is make sure that that 4,000 watch hours is written in your title. So don't go there and start, saying all kinds of different things from your from the content of that video. In other words, you are trying to explain in brief what that video is all about. So when this title is when the YouTube algorithm push out your videos, and at a glance, when a viewer look at it, the viewer will already know that this video is talking about 4,000 watch hours and how I can get it. Okay, so there's no two ways about it. Now, this is the first place where you need to put your SEO. It is the first keyword that is very, very important. So if your video is all about traveling, is all about maybe getting your YouTube channel monetized, make sure that in your title you are adding your SEO, you are adding your keywords, okay, so that it will be very easy for even the YouTube algorithm to know the right audience to push your videos to. Is the first place where you need to put in your SEO. Now, let us quickly go down. You see this place where we have description. Okay, this is the second place where you need to put in your SEO. Remember, I said SEO is search engine optimization, so all these things you should put it into account. Okay, now in this place you need to, when you are describing your videos, make sure that you add the keywords of that video. In other words, you will add, okay, how to get, this is how you can get your 4,000 watch hours, or are you struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours? Okay, this is how you can get it. Put in this and that. Now, I am not saying that you just go and be repeating 4,000 watch hours. No, it does not make sense like that. Okay, you are going to do it organically and originally. In other words, you are going to put it into sentences that make sense. Okay, so you just, explain it. I don't mean that you should add a whole lot of description to your videos, thereby making it difficult for even the viewer to try to understand. So in brief, you can just say, okay, struggling to get 4,000 watch hours. In this video, I am going to explain to you on how you can get your 4,000 watch hours in less than few weeks, blah blah blah, or few months, or whatever time, okay, that is needed. All right, so watching this video, you found out that it is very easy to get your 4,000 watch hours. Now, by the end of your description, you have already added 4,000 watch hours 5 or 4 times. Are you seeing how easy this is? Okay, so now it will also help your YouTube algorithm to understand that, okay, this person is talking about 4,000 watch hours. Immediately the algorithm will quickly pick it. It's very easy. All right, trying to, not trying to balance what is this person trying to say. So this is like the second or probably the third place. Okay, now this one, you can only do it, it is better to do it when you have finished editing your videos. All right, when you use your editing app, CapCut, or any kind of app, InShot, Canva, any kind of app you are using to edit your videos, please come when you after editing your videos, you export your videos, it's already your gallery. Please go straight to your gallery and change the name of your video, the title of your video. Now, when you change the title of your video, one mistake you should not do is by putting a different name in that title. So what I'm trying to say is that same video title you are carrying, please make sure that it is the same keyword that you are. In fact, copy your title to your video title. Okay, copy your title for your video. That here you can adjust your videos, but in this place that you have already uploaded your videos, try to copy the same title that you put in here to add it to this your video title. Okay, it is very, very easy. Let it be the same. Don't put a different thing here and put a different thing here. This is because this will help the algorithm to know the right audience to push your videos to. It is very, very easy. Now quickly, let us go down. Now when you come to your tags, okay, try as much as possible, your hashtags, try as much as possible to put in the same keywords. So if I'm talking about how you can get your 4,000 watch hours, when I come to my tag, my hashtag, I am supposed to put in how I can get I am supposed to put in hashtag 4,000 watch hours, YouTube growth, hashtag, search engine optimization, and all. Okay, now if you are putting in your hashtag, I am not saying you should jam pack a whole lot of hashtag. Let your hashtag be between 3 to 8, okay, or 7. Let it just not be, let's say, maximum of 8. Okay, that is very, very important. Don't jump up a whole lot of hashtag. But what is important is that anything you are talking about in that video, let it be the first, second, and the third hashtag. So the most best hashtag that you will use for that video should come first, second, and third, probably fourth. Okay, so the secondary hashtag, that the secondary ones that you might be adding, please, you can get it anywhere, maybe YouTube tips, YouTube growth, YouTube. Okay, but the keywords that you are using for that video, please make sure that it is the first, second, and the third hashtag that you'll be adding to your video. Okay, understand something. Your tags are your keywords. Okay, they are the keywords that are in that video. So sometimes you hear some big YouTubers tell you that tags are not really, really important. It tends to limit your audience, it tends to limit your views. But I don't believe that. I believe that tags kind of help the algorithm to push your video to the right audience, to even a larger audience, because when these people put in their search on YouTube, it tends to use that tag to say, okay, recommend this video for this person if this person will want to watch this video. Once this is done, in your description box, make sure that your link to your playlist is there. Okay, so it then to help to recommend your videos to your audience after watching a particular video, or probably the person wants to check out your videos in your playlist, please copy the link of your playlist and make sure it's added there. So if you have a brand link or any kind of link that you want your audience to quickly go and check out, please do not forget to add it to your description. Okay, it goes a long way. Now coming to the last one, which is the eighth place where you are supposed to add subtitles. So ordinarily YouTube tends to generate your script for you, so automatically it generates your script for you. But YouTube will, if you are the kind of person that probably you speak very fast and YouTube is not able to pick that particular YouTube is not able to pick your words, or your English is not clear, or you are just trying to express yourself, but it is not quite enough for the YouTube website to be able to pick it and turn those words into scripts, thereby helping the viewer to go through your videos using the scripts. Because most times, if I don't really understand what somebody is saying, I tend to go to their scripts in order to understand what that particular person is saying. That is me. So I follow your videos with your script. I like it that way. So I don't know the way you watch your own videos. I just want to get a clear understanding of what that person is saying. Now when you go to this your subtitle, make sure you go to the scripts. Okay, so YouTube is going to show you the script. That's okay. Immediately you upload your videos, automatically it's going to generate your script for you. Or if you are using an app, like I use vMake to generate my scripts, so when I use that, I tend to go correct my scripts. But what I want you to do right now is that once you are uploading your videos, make sure that those places where you mention those keywords, so if I'm talking about 4,000 watch hours, YouTube might not really pick it as 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so I will just go there and correct it. That is why sometimes when we make mistakes in English, we find out that the transcript is saying something different, so that those keywords are appearing correct in your transcript. This will go a long way to help the algorithm push your videos and help rank your videos and maximize your views, guys. This is very easy. It is something that you can put in place, even as simple as when you are uploading your videos, and it will go a long way to rank your video. So if you found this video useful, if you found this video interesting, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video is dropping. It is Champsy 2000. See you next in our next video. Bye.